Hi, and welcome to this short overview of Salestio for Ecwid. Salestio helps Ecwid sellers connect their store with Amazon, eBay, and Etsy without managing products, stock, prices, and orders separately on every marketplace. Let's take a quick look at how it works. Salestio is available directly inside the Ecwid control panel. From the main dashboard, you can access your marketplace integrations, check the status of your listings, see recent marketplace orders, and review synchronization activity. This gives you one place to understand what is happening across your connected sales channels. The first step is to connect your marketplace seller account. Salestio supports multiple seller accounts, so you can manage different marketplaces or regional accounts from the same Ecwid store. After the account is connected, Salestio can start importing marketplace information and synchronizing your products and orders. Selling lists are used to select which Ecwid products should be available on each marketplace. For example, we can create a selling list for eBay, add products from the Ecwid catalog, and send them to the connected eBay account. Salestio can use the product information already available in Ecwid, including titles, descriptions, images, variations, prices, and stock. Marketplace-specific settings, such as categories and item attributes, can be configured using reusable profiles. This is especially helpful when working with a larger catalog because the same settings can be applied to multiple products instead of configuring every listing manually. Salestio can also keep marketplace prices and stock synchronized with Ecwid. By default, you can send the same price and available quantity from your store. You can also create custom rules. For example, you can increase marketplace prices by a percentage, limit the quantity available on a marketplace, or keep some stock as a buffer. This helps reduce manual updates and lowers the risk of overselling. You do not have to create new marketplace listings to use Salestio. If you already sell on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, Salestio can connect your existing listings to matching Ecwid products. Once connected, Ecwid can remain your central source for stock and price updates. When a customer purchases a product on a connected marketplace, Salestio can import the order into Ecwid. The order appears alongside your regular Ecwid orders, so your team can process marketplace sales using the same familiar workflow. After the order is fulfilled in Ecwid, Salestio can send the fulfillment status and tracking information back to the marketplace. This means you can manage orders from multiple channels without constantly switching between separate seller portals. Salestio records synchronization operations and provides detailed logs. If a product cannot be published or updated, you can review the relevant message to understand what information or configuration needs attention. The dashboard also makes it easier to monitor listings, orders, and automated synchronization processes. With Salestio, Ecwid sellers can publish or connect marketplace listings, synchronize stock and prices, import orders, and manage fulfillment from one central store. This can reduce repetitive work, improve inventory accuracy, and make it easier to expand your business across Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Install Salestio from the Ecwid app market to connect your store and start configuring your marketplace integrations. Thank you for watching.